Ever wondered if liquid nitrogen could be the secret weapon in your cleaning arsenal? Imagine a world where grime and dirt shiver in fear at the mere mention of their icy nemesis. Yes, you've heard it right. We're talking about cleaning with liquid nitrogen. This enlightening video is brought to you by Mango Maids, your friendly experts in all things clean. First on our list of brave, or should I say chilled contenders, we have a pair of muddy boots. Imagine this, a long, tiring hike and your boots are covered in muck. What do? Here comes liquid nitrogen to the rescue. Dip them in and voila, the mud's frozen solid. Give it a whack and it shatters like glass. Now that's what I call a cold clean. Next up, we have a greasy frying pan. You know, the one that's seen better days and is now a monument to every meal you've ever cooked. Well, a little liquid nitrogen bath and it's like new. The grease freezes and you can just flick it off. Well, it's one way to give new meaning to freezing your assets off. And what about the infamous red wine stain on your white carpet? This cleaning experiment, brought to you by our sponsor Mango Maids, proves a little liquid nitrogen can take care of that. Well, so is your carpet. But hey, at least the stain's not there anymore. Now picture this. A sticky, gooey piece of chewing gum stuck under your shoe. A quick liquid nitrogen shower and it's no longer sticky. It's now a frozen piece of art that you can display in your living room. Talk about a cool conversation starter. But wait, there's more. What about your stinky gym clothes that you've been avoiding? A quick freeze and they're as fresh as a winter morning. Warning, side effects may include shivering uncontrollably and turning into a human icicle. And finally, for the grand finale, we have a dirty car. A full liquid nitrogen wash, and it's shining like new. Just don't try to drive it afterward, unless you're planning a trip to the North Pole. So there you have it. A hilarious journey through the chilly world of cleaning with liquid nitrogen, brought to you by Mango Maids. It's safe to say our cleaning adventures were more than a little frosty. But remember, kids, don't try this at home. Leave the freezing to your freezer and the cleaning to good old soap and water. Because while liquid nitrogen might be a cool way to clean, it's safe to say it's not the warmest solution. But hey, it sure does give cold clean a whole new meaning.